Hi Gabby's fam, and welcome to a Saturday morning vlog featuring my mom, my dad, my brother, and JP and Willow. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys what I got up to on this Saturday morning. It was basically a chill day. I was just filming a bunch of videos and recording myself throughout the day, and also editing and uploading and scheduling a lot of videos ahead of time because I want to get that consistency back and make sure that I bring you guys 2 videos a week at least, with a bonus video on Sundays sometimes if I can. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If it's your first time here, hi, welcome. Please consider subscribing and join the family as we journey on to a happy life. What are you coloring?
Blue and magic. This is blue yellow. You see blue yellow. Magic was blue. So we gotta try purple.
Yeah.
So we gotta try blue purple. Blue purple magic the polar bear into blue purple. Polar bear with blue purple.
Are you coloring the polar bear blue and purple? Okay.
This is blue purple.
So last night I was rubbing my eyes and it's really itchy and irritated, so I'm putting Vaseline because my skin is like irritated. From rubbing and scratching my eyes. Putting Vaseline. So today I want to tidy up my room a little bit and figure out a filming set so that I can film a Q&A video for my weight loss journey. So yeah, I don't know. This angle is like the best lighting, but that is not the prettiest, so do you want to say good morning?
Good morning.
Yeah. Are you shy? Yeah. Don't do that, baby. No. Come, baby. No. Come. Let's make up the bed. Come. No jumping on the bed. Where's Willow? There she is. Where's Willow? Is she hiding again?
Mom, can you hide me here?
some videos for my weight loss journey series, and yeah, I'm also going to be cooking a little bit, helping my mom a little bit, and I'm making Willow a snack and myself a snack. So my go-to snack is dates and peanut butter. Ooh, that's hot. Hold on. Hold on. I need to get a lappy. So I have 2-minute noodles with some corn. I'm gonna try some. You got your water, and you got your noodles, and you got your cartoons, and you got your corn. Okay, I think I'm done filming videos for the day. I'm just gonna be vlogging now. Willow finished her lunch. Now she's having a popsicle. Is it yummy? Yeah.